This is going to be a big unboxing. Well, if you haven't guessed, this is a giant version of one of my favorite super easy games, Marrakech. It's big. I can't believe it's this big. I'm never going to be able to play this at home, but I actually got it so that I could take it to events. I thought it would have really cool table presence because it's freaking massive. You may remember when I unboxed my giant Takenoko. I love giant versions of things or tiny versions of things. Look at the money! Holy oh jeez. Should have thought this through really, shouldn't I, before buying it? Look at the money! Maybe it's a little bit too big. Jeez, oh, I can't wait to see what the mats look like. Here's a die for you. Could probably kill somebody with this. Not that I'm suggesting that you do that. Look at massive! Okay, put them here so you can see them. I'm assuming these are the rugs. Let's have a look. Look at those! Well, I thought it would have good table presence. That is insane. Pretty thick as well. I'll show you the normal version if you haven't seen it, just so that you can get an idea of how much bigger this one is. Normal die, giant die, giant money. That's crazy. Giant rugs. Normal Assam? Assam. I can never play this at home. I don't have a big enough table. I'm not even going to try and get the board out. You can see how big that's going to be. That's it. That was my unboxing of Giant Marrakech. I'll be taking this along to game events and see how it goes. Game events with a bloomin' big table. Look at the money. I'll take some photos and pop them up now. Thanks for joining me for this unboxing, and if you haven't subscribed, give it a subscribe. I try and cover some weird stuff now and again. Happy gaming, Nervenstein out.